Hello friends, Sarah here from the Connecticut Cocoon. If you don't know me, I am the co-creator of Hello from the Cocoon with my dear friend Laurie, and we will be doing an expressive arts activity. So today I am going to be vocal playing changes. So I have had so many changes going on in my life. I don't know about you, but this theme was inspired by Flying Squirrel, and I had never seen a flying squirrel before. But there's a lot of life changes swirling on in my family life, my career life, my mind, body, and soul, basically, all of the above. Lots of little changes, big changes. And my husband and I were having a fire after a very emotional, big day. And out of nowhere, we heard our bird feeder make a noise. And we're like, why is there a bird out, this late at night? And I assumed maybe it's a bat. And we put on our flashlight, and it was a flying squirrel on our bird feeder. And he was so cute with his flat tail and his skin between his arm and his legs. And I had to look up, what does flying squirrel mean, right away, because this is such an odd animal coming into my space. And I do receive animal messages, and then I'll use that to kind of help me throughout the day or through a time in my life. So I invite you to do that too. It's super helpful, comforting, and it helps me with my intuition and just get through a moment, and knowing that nature is holding me, because we are a part of nature. We're all connected to it. So of course we'd be receiving messages from our animal friends. So I looked up Flying Squirrel, and Flying Squirrel is all about taking the leap and landing safely. So that's what we are going to be vocal playing today, taking the leap and landing safely, especially for all of our changes that we have to make in our life, or changes that maybe are being forced upon us, right? That we don't even have any control over. So let's see, this is going to be fun. So I invite you can just receive this vocal play or create your own unique sound for what change sounds like to you. Just copy what I'm doing and have fun with it, and we'll just sing together here in the cocoon. So here we go. Change with Flying Squirrel, taking the leap and landing safely. Ah, 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 Oh, all the feels. I can't wait to listen to that one back. Oh, I just want you to sit and observe if you did this vocal play and created your own. Observe any sensations that may be releasing or that you can feel. Could be a tingling in your eyes, a smile. I just feel like holding myself right now, a little hug. And I'm actually interested. I had made a vocal play for an intention, a weekly intention of living a fulfilled life. And I feel like this vocal play sounded very similar to that. So I wonder how they harmonize together, because I do have these changes happening that I would like to infuse hope that it's going to bring me to that creation of living a fulfilled life. So they are kind of colliding with each other. So feel free to share with me, comment below if you tried this, if you just listened, if you just sang along with me, any insights you had, self-discoveries, your experiences. I'd love to hear about it. And that just felt really good. So if you receive any messages from the body movements you used, mine felt very forward and up. And then at the end, it was like the dust settling, like all the dust settling, and it got quiet and just the energy settling from all this big movement and these big changes. So thank you, Flying Squirrel, for bringing us this inspiration. And thank you, friends, for joining me with care and connection from my cocoon to yours. Bye.